Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Soumya from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering presenting you the video on file systems and directories. Introduction to file systems. File systems are a crucial part of any operating systems, providing a way to recognize, store, and retrieve data very efficiently. They manage how data is stored and retrieved on storage devices like hard drives, SSDs, and flash drives. Directory and disk structures. A collection of files is a file directory. The directory contains information about the files, including attributes, location, and ownership. Much of this information, especially that is concerned with storage, is managed by the operating system. The directory is itself a file accessible by various files management routines. The directory is a container that is used to contain folders and files. It also organizes files and folders in a hierarchical manner, which are further classified into single level directories, mm, multi-level, two-level directories, and tree structure that is hierarchical structures. The below information contained in the device are the particular directories mentioned, that is name, type, address, current length, maximum length, date last accessed, date last updated, and owner ID and protection information. Directory operations. The operation performed on the directory are search for a file, create a file, delete a file, list a directory, rename a file, and traverse the file system. Advantages of maintaining multiple directories are the efficiency, naming, and grouping. Efficiency. A file can be located more quickly. Naming it becomes convenient for users as two users can have the same name for different files or may have different name for the same files. Logical grouping of files can be done to properly manage Java programs and all gaming structures. Types of file directories. The single level directory is the simplest directory structure. In it, all the files are contained in the same directory, which makes it easy to support and understand. A single level directory has the significant limitation. However, when the number of files increases or when the system has more than one user, since all the files are in the same directory, they must have a unique name. If two users call their dataset test, then the unique name rule is violated. Advantages of single level directory include logical organization, increased efficiency, that is, directory structures can be increased in efficiently in a file system by reducing the time required to search for the files. This is because the directory structures are optimized for fast file access, allowing users to quickly allocate the file that they needed. Another point is improved security, that is, directory structures can also provide better secure files by allowing access to be restricted at the directory level. This helps to prevent unauthorized access to sensible data, ensures that important files are has to be protected. Scalability of directory level single level directory is that it makes it easy to add new directories and the files as needed. This helps to accommodate growth in system and makes it easier to manage large amount of files. Well, disadvantages of single level directory include that there may be a chance of name collision because the two files can have the same name, and searching will become time taking if the directory is large enough, and also this cannot be grouped in the same type of files together. Level directories. As we have seen, a single level directory often leads to confusion of names among different users. The solution to this problem is to create a separate directory for each user. In this two-level directory structure, each user has their own user file directory. The user file directory have similar structures, but each lists have only have the files of a single user. System's MFD, that is master file directory, is searched whenever there is a new user ID created. Advantages of two-level directory includes the is that they can be more than two files with the same names. That would be very helpful if there are multiple file users. The security would be there, which would prevent the user to access each other's files, and searching of the files becomes very easy in this directory structure. Due to two levels, there is a path name for every file to locate that file. Now we have the same file name for different users. Searching is efficient in this method. Pre-structured directory. The directory is maintained in the form of pre. Searching is efficient and also there is grouping capability. We have the absolute or relative path name for the file. It also has a root directory, and in every file there is a file system which has a unique path. A directory within a tree structure may contain files or subdirectories. Special system calls are used to create or remove the directories. Thank you for watching the video and don't forget to like.